almost every food chain of every animal, the habitats that sustain all other life forms and ourselves. Collectively, they are known as the biomes, the living landscapes of Earth. Landscapes have been an inspiration to us for centuries, the subject of countless painters, writers, photographers, and movie directors. The natural vistas of our home countries and foreign lands, perhaps more than anything else, determine that area's character. And whilst these landscapes are shaped underneath by topography, the presence of coastlines, hills, and mountains, their surfaces are defined by the degree of plant life growing upon them.